Today is 7/29/26. We're gonna do an oil change on this 90 horsepower outboard Mercury 2001 model, ultra low California ultra emission version. And then you can see that it's carbureted. We're gonna put 4.5 quarts in. The old 4.5 quarts came out of here. That's the bolt that came out. That's the 18 millimeter. So I use a 18 millimeter breaker bar, open it up, and it just ran. Have two buckets ready. One to, if you have one, then you have one, but if you have two, it's better. And then the oil filter is, show you the old oil filter. This is the old oil filter that came out. So I'm gonna bring this back down though. Put a rag in here or paper. Now here's the new stuff that's coming in. So you can buy a whole kit. It's like 4.5 quarts, so they give you a total of 5 quarts. 10W30 is what I'm putting in. I'm in like California, so normal temperature. 4 temps, Hull Marine. So supposedly the marine oil is different from car. And then here's the oil filter that's coming in. 4-stroke oil filter, 35 AM01162830. Fits multiple 4-stroke. It's probably like 70, 125 different things fit it. And so it looks like this. It says Quicksilver on it. Make sure the old O-ring comes out. You can wet it with some oil. And then this kit also gives you a 1/2 inch tube, so you can drain it like this. In there like that. So the newer 4-stroke has a nipple that you can put in, but this one is like that, so it just drips out. I guess by the time you take the nut out, you won't have enough time to put this in, because the new one, they built it so you can put this thing in. So this kit is made for a whole bunch of different versions, and I think it's like $80, $60, $90 on Amazon or something. Forgot how much it costs. Here, if you have the new version, that's what it fits over. This is in Spanish. And then, yeah. And then you're supposed to tighten it 130. Oil drain valve is 133 inch-pounds. That's a lot. But this is, so this kit will do 75, 90, and 115 horsepower versions. All right, Whisker out. Done.